iPad 3, third generation. Not for much longer. Whenever you're ready. Oh! Oh. Oh.
Alright, now if it lights up, I'm running out of here because there's something wrong.
This was the screen. So we thought the iPad 3rd gen was strong, but figures it's not that strong anymore. Oh, yeah, nice little scrape marks there. You can make it into a sandwich now. Oh, let's see if you can still move the hold button. Yeah, the hold button's still on. No. Let's see here. Yeah, no, make the hold button move. Yeah, there we go. Hold button still works. There we go. You can still lock the screen orientation. So that is a good thing. I'm not sure if the camera will still work though. Huh. iPad 3rd generation. Madu!